This video is about understanding facial movements, and on the facial we have the eyes, the eyebrows and the mouth. So in this video I'm going to share you how these muscles behave, and this is going to help you a lot in your animation journey. First comes the eye dart. Now eye darts are the pupils. How do the pupils move? Generally the pupils move only one frame at a time, like this. So you just move in a frame only when you are tracking somebody or when you are following a person. That is the only time when you will have the follow of your eyes, like this. Then comes the blinks. Now while blinking the eye in the animation, your closing time should be quicker than the opening time so that it looks more natural and it does not feel more of a robotic, like closing and opening at the same time. Then we have the eyebrows. Now the eyebrows move quick, but they are slower than the eye darts. Just try to take your eyebrows up slowly and then bring it down slowly. It will not happen. You will have the jittery movement. It will not come in constant speed down and constant speed up. It will go like this, 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 this. So that is why it's important that you animate your eyebrow muscles directly like snapping. Then comes the mouth. Now mouth is something which you have the full control of your muscles. You can move it fast. Yeah. You can move it slow. Avoid creating one frame of animation with the mouth. Try to be within that expression. If you are speaking, hi, how are you? Then no need to create hi, how are you? No need to create extreme shapes. Only create hi, how are you? Can you see? It's within this particular proximity. Next time when you do the facial animation, follow these steps to improve your animation. If you like this video, follow me for more such videos.